Bro, no money for a gym membership? Or maybe you're stuck in college, coaching, school, and just don't have the time. I get it, but that doesn't mean you can't build your dream physique. Honestly, you can grow muscle right at home with zero equipment. And in this video, I'm giving you a complete home workout plan, from warm-up, chest, back, arms, legs, and abs, plus a budget-friendly diet that will boost your results. So stay till the end. Before we jump into the main workout, there's one small but crucial step. Warm up. Don't skip it. Just 3 to 5 minutes of warm up will prepare your body and prevent injuries. Here's a quick routine. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds, high knees, 30 seconds, arm circles, 20 seconds forward, 20 seconds back. Spot jogging, 1 minute. Now your body is warm and ready for some intense training. Chest workout. At the gym, you'd see people doing bench presses, but at home, your body weight is enough to hit the same muscles. The best chest exercise, push-ups, and their variations. Regular push-ups, hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line, hips not too high or low. This builds your chest's main area and overall strength. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on a chair or table. Great for beginners since it reduces the load and helps you nail proper form. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Decline push-ups. Place your feet on a sofa or chair, hands on the floor. This targets your upper chest. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Do all 3 variations together for a complete chest workout, hitting upper, middle, and lower chest. Shoulder workout. Strong shoulders give you that wide, aesthetic look. At home, 2 simple moves can do wonders. Pike push-ups. Get into a push-up position. Raise your hips into an inverted V, lower your head towards the ground, and push back. This targets the front shoulders. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Shoulder taps. Start in a push-up position, hands shoulder width apart. Tap the opposite shoulder with each hand, keeping your body stable. This builds shoulder strength and stability. 3 sets of 10 to 12 taps per side. Perfect for beginners and super effective. Back workout. A strong back gives you that V-tapered look. No pull-up bar, no problem. Superman hold. Lie face down, arms stretched forward. Lift arms and legs off the floor like Superman flying. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, 3 sets. Strengthens lower back and posture muscles. Towel rows. Wrap a towel around a strong pillar or door handle. Sit back and pull it toward your chest, then release slowly. This hits the upper back and lats. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. These 2 moves are enough to build a solid, wide-looking back at home. Arms workout. Balanced arms mean training both biceps and triceps. Diamond push-ups. Hands under your chest, thumbs and index fingers forming a diamond shape. Lower and push back up. Great for triceps and inner chest. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Chair dips. Hold onto a sturdy chair or bed edge. Extend your legs, lower your body, then push up. This is a killer triceps move. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Backpack bicep curls. Fill a backpack with books or weight, hold it with both hands, and curl it like dumbbells. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This combo will grow your arms evenly and make them look aesthetic. Leg workout. Strong legs improve overall strength and stamina. 3 bodyweight moves are enough. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Sit down as if on a chair, then stand back up. Hits quads, glutes, hamstrings. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Lunges. Step forward, bend both knees at 90 degrees, then push back. Switch legs. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Calf raises. Stand straight, raise yourself on your toes, then come down slowly. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for strong, defined calves. Abs and core workout. A strong core supports every movement you do, plus visible abs look amazing. Plank, forearms on the ground, body in a straight line, hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Leg raises. Lie on your back, lift legs up, lower them slowly without touching the ground. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Mountain climbers. Push-up position. Drive knees towards chest quickly. 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Combine these to build a strong core and visible abs. Budget-friendly diet plan. Workout is just 30 minutes, but muscles are built in the kitchen. Here's a cheap, student-friendly diet. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs, or a glass of milk plus 1 banana. Cheap, filling, energy-packed. Lunch. Home food is best. 2 to 3 chapatis, lentils or kidney beans, and seasonal veggies. Lentils are an affordable protein source. Evening snack. A handful of roasted chickpeas or peanuts gives protein plus healthy fats. Dinner: 2 chapatis, 1 veggie dish, and 2 to 3 eggs. Vegetarians can add 50 to 70 gram soy chunks. Keep dinner protein-rich for muscle recovery. Optional: a glass of milk or fruit before bed if budget allows. Follow this plan with your workout and you'll see results. Thanks for watching.